Microwaves shake water molecules. Plates don't absorb microwaves well.
Ever wondered why food heats but the dish doesn't? A ceramic plate goes in. A cup of water goes in. The microwave runs and the water steams. Food heats fast. Inside, invisible waves bounce around and make water molecules jiggle. The plate has almost no water, so it barely absorbs the waves and stays cool. Those jiggling water molecules heat the food from the inside out, so the heat comes from vibrating water inside your food, not the dish.